Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in my Zenith Bank app on another device. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is, on your next device, what you need to do is head over to your App Store or Play Store and then download Zenith Bank mobile app now. Once that's downloaded, all you gotta do is tap on open, and once you open up the app, you'll be getting something like this on your interface, right? Now, in order to log in to another phone, what you need to do is enter in your bank details in the phone that you want to app as well. So just simply tap on login, and once you tap on login, here you'll be asked to enter in your account number, your password. All you gotta do is enter in your account number that you want to have in that another phone as well, and then enter in the password as well. And once that's done, check on this remember login to have your phone sign into your app as well. You can use login with fingerprint if you have fingerprint access as well. And once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on sign in, and once you do that, you'll be successfully able to log in to your Zenith Bank on another phone as well. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.